Ever wondered just how fast 1 terabit per second actually is? In the world of high-mode networking, the difference between Tbps and Gbps can be confusing. Let's break it down. Tbp stands for terabits per second, used for massive data backbones. Gbps stands for gigabits per second, found in high-end consumer internet. The rule is simple. Data transfer units use a decimal scale. 1 terabit is exactly 1,000 gigabits. So, the formula is multiply your Tbps value by 1,000. For example, 2.5 terabits per second equals 2,500 gigabits per second. Half a terabit? That's 500 gigabits. Remember, we're talking about bits with a lowercase eb here, standard for networking speeds, not bytes used for file storage. Whether you're managing a data center or just curious about future internet speeds, accurate conversion is key. But you don't need to do the math yourself. Need the answer instantly? Use the free SarkariTools Tbps to Gbps converter. The link is in the description.